Hello everyone, I am Guru Lingu. Welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to learn how to solve the problems on joint venture. First of all, in short, we'll try to understand the meaning of joint venture. Joint venture is a temporary partnership engaged together for a specific period of time for the purpose of making profit. Once the project is completed, the business will wound up. This is the actual meaning of joint venture. Now it's time to solve a problem. Before that, let us have a bird eye view of the format. I have already explained in detail in part 1 video of the same concept. Let us see the format once. Here is the format. This is account number 1, that is joint venture. Left side, you are supposed to take all the inputs and individual contribution. Only 2 items will appear in that side. Right side, totally 3 items will appear. Number 1 is contract price. Number 2 is any sale of assets are there, you are supposed to take here. Then any drawings by the partners would appear in the credit side. It is very simple, guys. Second account is this co-venturers account. So let us start from the debit side. Joint venture drawings. If any drawings you are supposed to take here, only 1 item will come in debit side. Come to credit side. First of all, you are supposed to take individual contribution or investment made by both of them. Second one, individual expenses made by them, and profit from the previous account. This profit is the balancing figure. Whatever profit they got out of revaluation account, so they have taken here. So after this, I have assumed here credit side is more than the balancing figure you are supposed to write here. Let us move to the third account. Third account is also very simple. Wherever you have written bank in the previous accounts, the opposites, the opposite side you are supposed to take here. Very simple format. So let us see a problem now. This is a question paper problem taken from May-June 2014 of BBA, Mysore University. Here, Prabhu Bhuvan entered into a joint venture to take a building contract for 24 lakh rupees. This 24 lakh you are supposed to take in credit side of joint venture account. Next, we'll see the inputs now. These are the inputs made by both of them, that is materials and cement. This wages amount is given only from, that is Bhuvan, and Prabhu has given architecture fees, and again Bhuvan has given 50,000 to license fee. These are the individual contribution. These 3 are the individual contribution made by them. Next, plant was valued at 10 lakh rupees. This 10 lakh rupee at the end of the contract, Bhuvan agreed to take it. Agreed to take it means this is drawings. Contract amount of 24 lakh rupees, again they have repeated same. Here also it is given, here also it is given. Any one amount you should consider. So profit or loss to be shared equally. Equally means 1:1. Whenever they do not mention the ratio, that is 1:1. 1:1 will become 1 plus 1, 2. 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2. Both of them will get 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2. So let us solve the problem. Before that, we'll write everything which is given in the question as given. Actually, this is not compulsory for your exam. No need to write. Here for the more clarity I have written. So first, let us see one by one. Contract price 24 lakh. Material 6 lakh 80, 5 lakh together 11 lakh 80. Cement 1 lakh 30 plus 1 lakh 70, 30, 3 lakhs. So here it is a contribution made by both the party. It is called as input. So wages is also an input, but contribution made by individual partners. So therefore this 2 lakh 70, 1 lakh 50,000, these 3 are the individual contribution. We have to show it in the revaluation account separately, not under 2 bank account. This 2 will come under 2 bank account. So next, drawings. There is a drawings 10 lakh rupees. It will appear in the credit side of joint venture account, that is account number 1. I hope you understood the question and the given information. We'll go to the next slide. That is, we'll start solving the problem now. First of all, the first account is joint venture. In this, we have to start from debit side. So to bank account. You see, these are the individual input made by, sorry, not the individual input. It is the amount which is spent together, both the co-venturers. So materials and cement, you can take directly 14,80,000. Again, this will go to the last account, third account, joint bank account. There in the bank account, you are supposed to write as joint venture account 14,80,000. Here it is appearing in the debit side. There you are supposed to take in the credit side, the third account I am talking about. So next is Bhuvan, individual contribution 2,70,000. You have to show it separately because the business has to remember that. To Bhuvan, we are supposed to pay 2,70,000. To Prabhu, we are supposed to take 1 lakh because he has individually contributed to architecture fees. And again, Bhuvan has spent towards license fees and towards plant, that is 50,000 and 2 lakh. Totally, Bhuvan has spent individually the three amounts. Prabhu has spent 1 lakh rupees on a single expenditure, that is architecture's fees. So next, after debit side only input will come and individual contribution will appear. Apart from this, nothing will appear in debit side. So finally, you will get balancing figure here if it is profit. Come to credit side. By joint bank account, contract price is 24 lakh. I remember I explaining 2 times I have given 24 lakh rupees. In one amount you are supposed to take here. Next, if any sale is there, you are supposed to take here. Sale is not at all there in this question. In future, if you get in some other problem, here we should take. Next is drawings. So drawings amount is 10 lakh rupees. Drawing is made by Bhuvan, therefore we have written 4. Right side also 2 bank will come, that is 1. Contract price, sale, then one more is drawings. If again, apart from Bhuvan, if Prabhu has withdrawn in something, you are supposed to mention Prabhu's name and then take drawings amount. That's it. We are adding the credit side because this side is more, 34 lakh rupees. The same amount you are supposed to write in debit side also, 34 lakh rupees minus all this amount. So whatever the balancing figure will get, we should distribute it to 2 partners equally. So here is the answer, 34 lakh minus all the debit items, 13 lakh we got. That equally when we distribute to Prabhu and Bhuvan, 6 lakh 50, 6 lakh 50 we got. So I hope there is no confusion in doing account number 1. It is very simple. Left side 2 bank input and individual contribution. Right side by bank twice. One is contract price and sale of asset, and one more is bonus. So thinking that you have understood this, and go to the next format, that is co-venturers account. Here co-venturers account will start from drawings. I remember that Bhuvan has withdrawn 10 lakh rupees planned. I have written here now. So next, except drawings, nothing will appear in debit side. Right side as the first one taken by bank, that is individual investment in this problem, because it is simple problem and not given individual investments made by Prabhu and Bhuvan. So you cannot ignore because it's a simple problem. Already this question is asked in 2014 for 10 minutes. Obviously this joint venture problems will be as simpler because it is asked for 10 minutes most of the time. Next, by joint ventures venture account, expenses paid by individually. So if you don't understand this, where I have taken this 1 lakh and 5 lakh 20, because 5 lakh 20 you did not see in any question. 5 lakh 20 is the individual contribution made by Bhuvan. I have already solved this question in word format. You can see this individual contribution made by Bhuvan. Bhuvan has spent 52 lakh and one more wages, that is 1 lakh rupees. Together in the right side I have taken as 5 lakh 20,000. Yeah. So next is by joint venture profit. This profit is in the first account we got now 13 lakh, 6 lakh 50, 6 lakh 50. This is the profit. This profit will be taken in credit side, 6 lakh 50 and 6 lakh 50. So next we should see which side is greater. Obviously credit side is greater here. First column we got 7 lakh 50, Bhuvan is getting 11 lakh 70. This amount again we should write it in debit side, and from this amount we should deduct the drawings, and when we write 11 lakh 70 minus 10 lakh we got how much? That is 7 lakh 20 as a balancing figure. Here nothing is there to deduct the amount is nil here because Prabhu has not withdrawn anything. 750 minus 0 is 750. So this is how second account, co-venturers account appears. So it is very simple. Basically, we'll go to third account now. So third account is joint bank account. Wherever you have written bank, you have supposed to mention here. See, in the first account, joint venture account, by joint bank account, contract price was there now 24 lakh rupees. That 24 lakh I have taken here. After this, any individual investment, if it is there, we should take. Here there is no individual investment made by these two partner. Individual investments are nil, so therefore I have not taken. So next, joint venture, that is sale of asset, is also nil in this question. Hope you remember I was explaining that sale of asset will appear in the first account, joint venture account. After this, credit side, joint venture account expenses. This is the total input. See here, joint bank account ka total 11 lakh 80 plus 3 lakh is, that is 14 lakh 80,000 we got. This is the total of input. The total input I have taken. So this amount is taken from joint venture. Therefore, in joint bank account you cannot write bank account. So therefore, I have taken by joint venture. After this, final settlement made to P and B. Where is final settlement? Final settlement was made in this second account, co-venturers account, 7,50,000 and 1,70,000. So finally, the joint bank account should get tally. So we got the right answer, that is 24 lakh and 24 lakh both the side. So in joint venture account, please do remember, balance sheet will not prepare because this is not a business where it will continuously exist. This is a joint venture business where the span or the duration of the business is very short. So therefore, it takes 1 year or 2 year or 3 year. They'll wind up the company by just opening joint bank account. Any profit or loss, they will share themselves. Hope you all understood all the three, that is the tables. Number 1, joint venture. Number 2, partners capital. Number 3, joint bank account. So in future, I'll try to solve more and more problems and upload the video. For that, what you have to do is just like the video. Please subscribe to my channel GL Tutors, and if you would like to share to your friends, you're always welcome. Thank you guys.